Hi, my name's Teia. On this channel we talk about all things McCall. Today we're going to go over Valley County zoning, what Valley County zoning means, and what you're able to do with that type of zoning. Valley County includes Cascade, Donnelly, and McCall, as long as you're not within the city limits. And what you'll find when you're looking at land or property in Valley County is a lot of it just has a blanket county zoning. So we get asked a lot, what does the county zoning mean? Valley County zoning means that it's a performance-based ordinance. And what this means is if you're not doing something agricultural or single-family residential, that you'll need a conditional use permit. One of the common questions that we get asked is, can I build more than one house on my property? So yes, Valley County does allow for accessory dwelling units. The rules are, they just cannot be short-term Airbnb rentals, and the square footage of the accessory dwelling unit could either be 1,000 square feet or half the size of the primary residence, whichever one is less. Another common question that people ask about Valley County zoning is they want to know if their land or their property is in a floodplain or how much of the land contains wetlands. This information can be found on the Army Corps of Engineers website. It goes over the amount of wetlands, where they're located, in the different parcel numbers all through Valley County. Another thing about Valley County property is that when you build a home on a parcel, you do need to get an approach permit. And what that means is you're going to have to know where the driveway is going to go in from the road, and somebody does have to approve that. They have to approve the grade of the driveway, the location of the driveway. It would need to come off of the main road where your address is designated. So that's how they determine where your main driveway comes in. So this driveway application is actually called the approach permit, and you're going to get it from the road department. It costs $50, and it doesn't matter which way your house is going to face on the lot. That doesn't have anything to do with the driveway or the approach permit. So hopefully this video has answered questions that you might have about the Valley County zoning and what you're able to do or build in Valley County. If you're interested in the floodplain map, I will include the link below in the description of the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if this has given you more information about McCall.